Today, we're going to show you how to integrate BitApps with Eventin in just a few simple steps. First, head over to the BitApps landing page and get access to the demo. You can get it directly from the website. Once done, you'll receive the access details via email. Now, log into the demo site. From the main dashboard, search for Webhook. You'll find a generated webhook URL. Copy it. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard and open the Eventin settings. Navigate to the Advanced tab, enable the webhook option, give it a name, select the status and topic, and paste the webhook URL you just copied. Then return to the BitApps dashboard and click on the Fetch button to initialize the connection. Now let's test it. Go ahead and purchase an event ticket from your site. Head back to the BitApps dashboard. You'll see the attendee details have been captured successfully. Now one last step. Let's fetch this attendee data into Google Sheets. Search for Google Sheets in the BitApps interface. You'll be given an authorization URL. Visit that link and grant access by adding your Google account. Copy the client ID and client secret key from your Google project settings. Paste them back into the BitApps dashboard, then click on Authorize. Follow the prompts, and you'll see the connection is completed successfully. Now choose the Google Sheet where you want the data to go. Make sure to create a sheet in advance so it shows up here. Map the Google Sheet fields accordingly. Then hit Next and Save. Let's test it one more time. Purchase another event ticket. And yes, the attendee data is now automatically added to your Google Sheet. That's how you can easily connect BitApps with Eventin and automate your event data management like a pro. If you found this integration helpful, let us know in the comments. Also, tell us which integration you'd like to see next. Stay connected with our social channels, and thanks for watching.